Lasfit has launched a new product Pro Series car LED headlights, which are designed according to the original size to perfectly fit your car. Simple installation, high brightness, longer life, and better heat dissipation. The Pro-DC series was designed based on the OEM headlight housing. The dust cover perfectly fits the original headlight assembly. And our LED bulbs also base on the OEM design. Some models are made with off-center design. Easy plug and play. You don't have to worry about overheating anymore after installing the Pro Series. The new Pro Series has a dual fan design for better heat dissipation. And also the bulbs were made with the combination of copper pipe and copper substrate. The heat can be transferred outside quickly via the vent on the dust cover, and the cool air can get into the housing through the air hole on the headlight. After 15 minutes of use, the Pro Series has a lower temperature than the original. It's a great heat dissipation system. At almost the same power, the Pro Series are brighter than halogen bulbs. You can see that the Pro Series has a brightness close to 5240 lumen. And the halogen bulb is only 860 lumen. Using a light meter, we can see that the Pro Series is 3 times as bright as a halogen lamp. But don't forget, they have almost the same power. That means the Pro Series is rated at 106 lumens per watt, compared to just 17.1 lumens per watt for halogen bulbs. If you want to know more about the Pro Series products, please visit our official website lasfit.com. We have a wealth of products to meet your needs. Lasfit is committed to good communication with customers and constantly updating products to meet various needs in the community. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to our channel. It's very important to us. Thanks for your watching.